In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully automated n8n pipeline that turns long videos into viral shorts. We'll build a hands-free system that takes a single long video and transforms it into multiple platform-ready clips. It starts with a simple form trigger in n8n. This creates a public upload page so anyone can drop in a video file, and as soon as they do, the workflow kicks off automatically. That form is the front door to the entire pipeline. Next, we send the uploaded video through an HTTP request to an FFmpeg processing service to extract the audio. Transcription models need clean sound, not visuals, so this step strips the video down to its audio track. Because that extraction runs in the background, we add a short, "Wait to give the server time to finish." After that pause, another HTTP request checks the job status and asks if the audio is ready. An if node handles the logic. If it's done, we move forward. If it's not, we loop by waiting a bit and checking again. Once complete, we download the audio so it's ready for AI. Now we call Whisper via HTTP request to transcribe the entire audio, including precise word-level timestamps. Those timestamps are crucial for accurate cutting later. Whisper returns a large, structured response, so a code node cleans it up. It extracts the transcript and word timings, rounds numbers to consistent precision, and packages everything neatly for analysis. With clean data in hand, we connect the AI agent to Google Gemini. Gemini is the brain that reads the transcript, considers timing and context, and identifies 15 to 60-second moments with strong hooks, emotional peaks, and punchy takeaways. The agent returns each clip's start and end times along with suggested platform text, like a TikTok description and a YouTube Shorts title. Another code node validates those results. It checks the time ranges, enforces the 15-60-second window, prevents bad values, and assembles the FFmpeg commands for cutting. Then we send the original video and the cutting instructions to FFmpeg via HTTP request to create the vertical shorts, optimized for social platforms. Just like before, the cutting runs as a background job, so the workflow waits, checks status, retries when needed, and downloads each finished short. Finally, a scheduling node uploads the clips, applies the AI-generated captions, and queues one post per day across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. That's the whole automated engine. Upload, extract, transcribe, analyze, cut, format, and schedule, end-to-end inside n8n. Once it's set up, you simply upload a video and let the system do the rest.